All right, what's going on, family? Listen, today is not a guitar lesson. Today, I want to share with you some items that you must have. I mean, some must have items. Listen, and your boy right here, I got to do it on a budget. So these are some things that I think will be affordable for you. I'm going to put a link to each one of them in the description. Now I get a little commission, like a little 3% commission on these items, but like I said, they're a budget, so y'all use the links down below to get these things. It's getting close to Father's Day. Maybe you want to give some hints and say, hey, baby, you want to hook a brother up, mama, sister, whoever, your daughter, I'm interested in these things. You can send them this video and say, hey, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. So listen, there's some things we got to cover that are necessities. What I say there? There are necessities, okay, that you got to have as a guitar player. It don't matter if you're playing acoustic. It don't matter if you're playing electric. Maybe even some of this stuff work with banjo. I don't know. But I want to share with you just a few things. Number one, if you're anything like me, why you lose these things here all the time? I got me a big old thing of picks right here. This right here is exactly what I needed. I don't know about y'all, but I be losing picks all the time. I find them in the washer. I find them in the dryer. I find them in places I never thought I'd find them before, but I lose picks all the time. These are affordable. I'm trying to tell you, look, you can get, I think these come in 150. I probably got about 75 left. They come in a pack of like 150. Listen, I'm gonna put that link. It's irresistible. It's irresistible. Me personally, I like kind of semi-thin. I don't want them too thin because they'll chip away. These have been good. I'm so thankful for these. Good quality at an affordable price. Number two. Well, actually, this probably should have been number one. All right, but it ain't the most. This. Do you know what this is? Anybody know what this is? Look at that. That was a perfect. Hey, how about that? So this is a tuner. You're going to need one of these. I'm putting a link in the description. This right here, I think it's less than $15. The thing I like about this one, this is a Sark. I think that's the brand of it. It's Sark. The thing I like about this one, it can pick up vibration based off of frequency and off of sound too. So either one, off of audio or off of vibration, it can pick it up. And peep this, because some of these that you got right here, some of these you got to have a battery. This one right here, it got a battery, but it's chargeable. It's chargeable, baby. It's chargeable. So when that thing go down, you just plug it back up and you right back in the game. Of course, you can get one of these. I put a link for this one too. Those come with batteries, but man, I'm trying to tell you, because here's what's gonna happen. When that battery go dead, it ain't gonna tune as accurately, okay? It ain't gonna tune as accurately. Another thing you got to have as a guitar player, is a microfiber cloth. This right here, look, man, I think this came in like a 3-pack. You got to have a microfiber. You got to be able to clean and wax that thing, cause fingerprints get on it, man. I got this little 2-year-old and this little 1-year-old little boy, and they just be putting smudge. Bam! I got the remedy right here. Listen, man, you got to have this. And on top of that, won't you mix it in with this right here? This is some of my favorite. My go-to guitar cleaner right here. What they call this? Guitar Detailer All-Purpose Music Nomad is the brand. Music Nomad. I'm trying to tell. Oh, that right there is the stuff, man. I'm trying to tell you. Get these items, okay? Get these items. What else? I had something else. Oh, look. This right here. Now I think this is around $30-ish, between $30 and $40. And you might be able to find a good deal. I got this right here. Now this right here. Oh, it came with everything in it. Now I don't have all my items. Look, I got a little box over there that I keep a lot of my stuff in when I'm doing my guitar maintenance. Listen, as a guitarist, sooner or later, you probably gonna experiment. And it's okay. Look, man, if you done got you upgraded your guitar, what I did is my cheaper guitar, the guitar I had that's cheaper, and I don't even like to call it cheap. One of my eldest guitars, you know what I mean, I didn't play as much or play as often. I said, you know what? I'm going to use this guitar and I'm going to experiment. Get you one of these do-it-yourself kits. Now, even if you don't experiment, this kit right here. It come with all kind of stuff, man. It come with the little things where you can measure your height and get your guitar set up. Let me tell you something. A lot of people struggle with playing guitar because they ain't got a good setup. I mean, above getting the most expensive guitar that you can find on the internet, it better come with a setup. I don't care how nice that guitar is. If it ain't set up, hurt them fingers. Be hurting them fingers. Wonder why you can't fret stuff, man. Sometimes your string's too big. You can do all that. It come with what that little thing is. It come with these. They can measure your strings so you know what size your strings is. It come with this. You can sand and touch up your frets. It come with, it come with all kind of. It even come with some screens. It come with screens. It come with Allen wrenches. I'm spilling all kind of stuff, man. This thing come with it's all you need. And it come with one of them guitar wind-up things. I don't know what mine is. I use it all the time. So I don't know what mine is. But to tune your guitar where you ain't got to sit there and turn it 120 million times with your bare fingers, you can just wind that thing up. I'm trying to tell you, man, that's the best friend right there. That's the best friend. I just wanted to show y'all some things you got to have as a guitarist. Well, I got one more thing down here. One more thing that's inside. I'm looking around. Wait, I got a couple more things. I'm sorry, y'all. I got a couple more things. I'm going to put this right here. Like I said, get you one of these guitar kits. All this stuff. Links in the description. All right, here we go. Now, a little side note. Listen, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Drop down in the comments. Let me know. Are you using any of these items? Let me know. Are you interested in using any of these items? And if you got any questions about any of it, man, I answer my comments now. I love my comments, y'all. Sometimes y'all be, I don't know what's up, man. I feel like I be hurt. I be hurt when some of y'all don't reach out to me. Even if you just saying hello, hey Patrick, I stopped by. It's good to see you. I love you. I love you too. Okay. Bam. You need some guitar literature. All right. Get you some guitar literature. I don't want you to be afraid of music theory. I don't want you to just only get accustomed to reading tabs and reading chord charts, but you're going to need some guitar literature. Okay. Get you some guitar. This one right here. This is nice. I'm going to put the links to all this. Look, can y'all see that? It come with pictures. All these different look. Then it got 7s and 9s and majors and major 7s. Get you something. I got another one over here. This one, I like the name of this one. I like, look, y'all, cause y'all know your boy. It's a Guitar Chords Bible. I like that. Now this one a little more old school, and this one's got some explanations and everything in it, man. Listen, I cannot express to you how important it is to have some guitar theory or some music theory when you're playing guitar. I'm telling you, it will open your eyes and you'll see things in a different light. I know sometimes that stuff is scary. Sometimes it's overwhelming. But listen, if you just sit, learn. It starts with the major scale, okay? Starts with the major scale. Look, I'm going to make a mess in here. Let me put my stuff back real quick. Another thing you're going to need, because if you like me and you got a family, you ain't going to always be able to hook that amp up and blast through the house, so you're gonna need some headphones. These right here, I got some right here, y'all. I got these headphones right here. These, and I think these are like $30 or less, but they are good quality, cheap, on the budget, because your boy right here be balling on the budget. You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all pray for your boy, man. Y'all pray for your boy. Hey, sooner or later, y'all gonna come through. Y'all click on some of these links and help your boy out. All right, you got any change? What brand is this? One audio. I guess they're probably gonna sound like One Audio. Bam. That what the box look like. That what the box look like. All right. And we got these, man. And okay. There we go. Boom. Bam. They comfortable. And I'm gonna be able to hear what I need to hear. Be able to hear, and then I won't be distracted and waking up the whole house. Cause y'all, I'm a bad boy. Bad boy. I'm gonna sneak in. I ain't sneaking in nobody's windows except mine. But let's see. Is that all I have? I just look, because it's close to Father's Day, so I'm trying to plant some seeds and give somebody some ideas. Not only that, I hope this video is timeless and that other folks can see all these items that you're gonna need as a guitarist, man. You're gonna need these. If you're getting serious about your business, you're gonna need these. Clean your guitar and wipe that thing down. Listen, I'm telling you, I recommend. I think anybody would recommend. Look, you get through playing your guitar, especially after you done jammed and stuff. them dead skin cells from your fingertips. You know how your fingertips be hurting? They came with some pain and some suffering, and you left a little bit on your frets. And then you wonder why your strings sound dead because they got all that dead skin on them. Wipe your guitar down. Get all them. I'm one to talk because I get on here and do a lesson and it be smudges all over my guitar and y'all don't even say nothing. Thank y'all. God bless your heart. Another thing you're going to need. You're gonna need a screwdriver. You're gonna need a screwdriver. What else? That might be it. That might be it. Oh! That's right. Do anybody know? Let me see if I can get it in focus. Do anybody know what this is? This. And then you can plug your headphone into it, right? You can see it a little bit right there. You can plug your headphone into it. You're gonna need this. All my musicians, y'all know how important this piece is. Boy, you lose your mind. You ain't got this piece right here. I'm trying to tell you, man. I'm trying to tell you. So, a few more things. Okay. All right. So you got these kind of headphones. I got a couple more things. Okay. Got a couple more things because I want y'all to know. And you can get these for the low-ski, for the low. These right here. Boom, bam, bam. What's this brand name? Because they make a lot of them. Like, I mean, and this brand go from anywhere from like $10 to $15 all the way on up. It depends on how much you want to spend. And they good quality, okay? Good quality right here. Hold on. What's the name of this brand? I want to say it's like MK or something. I can't. I'm gonna put a link in the description, okay? And y'all check them out. They got different colors. They got different kinds. They got what you need, okay? They got what you need. You gonna need. These are called in-ear monitors, okay? They not just like your any everyday AirPods and stuff like that. They not like that. These are specifically for musicians, all right? Specifically for musicians. You'll see these in band settings. You'll see these over there in the church corner. They be having them on. I had something. Oh. And where would we be without our strings and things? I like the Diderios, okay? How you say that? How y'all say Diderio? I wonder if it got an accent. Diderio. Dioderios, all right? Dioderios. I don't know. Somebody put in the comments how I pronounce it. Dioderios, okay? You're gonna need these, all right? Now these 942s, because I'm a wimp. Now I'm gonna tell you, the thicker your strings, the better the tone. But I like playing chords and stuff. I like playing chords. So I'm going for playability. Okay, I'm gonna go for playability. Now, you might have a certain guitar that got the thicker strings on it. You know what I mean? Whatever floats your boat. Then you want to make sure it's set up for those certain ones. Okay. Strings, I use these and I also use elixirs. I'm gonna put links for both of them in here. And then the elixirs now they got, and even these, look into it and figure out what tones you like. Usually if you're more of a jazzy type of player and you're using guitars like hollow bodies and everything like that, you're gonna want a warmer sounding string. All right, so look for that in your description and in your details for the warm sounding strings. Now, if you're playing a Strat or a Telly, all right, you're probably gonna want a brighter sounding string. All right, and look, we can go in further detail. If you need me to go in further detail about sounds and strings and everything like that, we can do a separate video. I just wanted to get on here real quick, like, man, and share with y'all because listen, man, I'm gonna tell y'all the truth, okay? I joined this program with Amazon Associate, right? And they said if I don't get y'all to click on one of these links and buy something, look, these ain't nothing but like $8, man. Go get these, all right? Go get these. I just need one. I just need one of y'all to buy something, okay? So I can I'm trying to keep this little program going. Make sure you hit that like button on this video and subscribe too. I'm bringing you quality content all the time. Y'all know, let me know what you need. And I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. All right, I'm gonna put these back down. I'm gonna put these back over here because I like to set these up over here. You never know when you need them. Let's see. I think that's it. I think y'all got enough, right? I think y'all got enough. Listen, I hope that this blesses you, okay? And go and be a blessing to somebody else. All right? If you're not a guitar player, and you just so happen rolled across this, and because you know a guitar player, okay, go hook them up. Like I said, when I'm making this video, it's close to Father's Day, but it might be some other time. It might be close to Christmas when you're watching this. It might be close to Thanksgiving. You know, go and get these items, okay? You're going to need these. You can't get enough of these picks, so you need some that's going to be cheap, okay? Now, and they might have some that's thicker, if you like thicker strings. Some folks do like, thicker picks. They got some other, they got one that's like for your fretboard care, okay? Conditioner, this same brand got some conditioner, I think it's called One Detail. Look, check that out. Get you some cleaning cloths. You're gonna need that. Get you some cleaning cloths. Monitors, get these, okay? Don't wake up your house. Get you some headphones. Don't wake up your house, and get you a kit, all right? And when you get there, okay, and listen, if you got an old guitar that just be sitting because you done bought a new one, you got an old guitar, I feel like something crawling on me. You got an old guitar that's been sitting, don't let it sit over there. Do something with it. Go, maybe you can go and get you some pickups. Get you some pickups. Get you, something. Start doing your own stuff. If maybe in the past, before you got your new guitar, you forgot to get it, you never got a setup on it. Set it up. Look up some videos. I'm not an expert by all means at it. But I began to play around and do my own little thing. Man, I did. One time I had my strings so jacked up and did a lesson, and everybody caught. They said, you need a setup. I said, yeah, I do. I was in a rush. Anyway, look, y'all, I done took too long. Y'all know me. I'm long-winded. But I wanted to share this with y'all, and I need y'all to hop in them, hop down in there. I'm just being real. I ain't begging. Yeah, I am. It's okay. I love you. God bless you. Heaven smile all on you, okay? Y'all take care. Share this with somebody. All right? Bye-bye now.